Hello everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to add or make a retro game site on Google Sites. So let me just go ahead and pull up this link real quick. All the links, as always, will be provided in the description in order for you to do this. So let's go ahead and get started. So you will need GitHub, not GitHub, Replit. You will need a ROM site, doesn't matter which one, as long as you can get ROMs like these. And you will need Google Sites, or you already one. So what you're going to need is any ROM site, doesn't really matter which one, and you're also going to need to click the paste bin link in the description below in order to get the code that I'm going to show. So as you can see, I have this site that I made right here using the method that I'm about to show you. As you can see that it works perfectly fine. It has all these games. I can go to Donkey Kong, I can go to any random game, start game. As you can see, it'll load it. Take a little bit, it'll load, and then you can see you can see it working. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So what you want to do is you want to go to your ROM site and you want to pick any ROM that you want in order to download. You have all these options. I'm going to do Dragon Ball. So what you want to do is you want to download the ROM. It'll take a little bit. And this can be with any game that you want. You want to save it. Open up the file. Don't mind the pictures. Extract all. Extract. And then go to what their file is. So you'll see what type of file it is right now here, depending on if you're on Windows or Chromebook. I'm not sure about Chromebook, but a good way to tell what type of file. I mean, you already know what type of file it is, so I shouldn't really explain. So you can go ahead and close that site. Now you want to go to Replit. Replit, and then you want to create a new REPL. You want to do HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and you want to name it to whatever you want it to name it to. So Dragon Ball Z GBA. So create REPL. And then you can delete these two. You don't have to, but I prefer to just clean it up. And then with the code that you have in the description, you want to Control A, Control V. You want to take the file of the game ROM and you want to put it inside of Replit. So you'll wait for that to load. Circle completed. And then right here in AGS core, you want to put which type of console it is. So I will put all the console names on the screen. In this case, it's GBA, so I'm going to do GBA, Game Boy Advanced. Now what you want to do is you want to rename this to whatever you want. I would like to shorten it, and then you want to do Dragon Ball Z. Now that you renamed it, you want to take the game URL, and you want to put the URL as the game name. So since I named it dbz.gba, you want to do dbz.gba. As you can see, I did that. The thing. You click run so that all the files go into the thing. You can see this starting up. You click open a new tab. Start game to check if it works. And as you can see, boom. So now I have this game. Let me just put it up in order to test. Yep, Dragon Ball Z. So you want to take the link in order to put on the site. You want to take the link, Control C, go to Google Sites, go to your site. In this case, it's going to be this one. You want to double click or press this button over here. I like to double click because it's faster. You want to press embed by URL, Control B, whole page, insert. You can shorten this up a little bit in order to fit the page better. And you can preview to make sure that it works properly inside your site. Start game. And boom, it's working. So that was a pretty simple tutorial, pretty fast, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye. Also, like and subscribe.